about sex.
Give her handicap thing back.
No, I'm
Who
not.
has it? You know, Fred
Who
told
has
me
the
it.
handicap thing?
Fred said, here, use it.
Fred said you could use it all you
Me.
want. He
Me.
didn't say only you.
He didn't
said
say
me too. In my car, he said I could use it anytime.
Boy, she puts her goddamn thing on him, Fred.
Yeah.
He's my boyfriend, not yours.
He's not my boyfriend. I won't want him.
That's
Jesus
good.
Christ.
I think you would want him.
Oh, yeah. She was jealous of
she's
him because he was always talking to me nicely. That's her.
I thought you weren't
I'm
jealous,
so
Joey.
jealous. Oh, yeah.
You
Now
think
it's-
I'm jealous? Because I don't even I wouldn't want any other man if you gave it to me for nothing. I don't want any
I
kind
think
of man.
she's jealous.
I think
Oh,
she is.
yes,
she
I'm
wants
real
Fred, and
jealous.
that's it.
I want my card. I want my
Where
card.
the
I don't
shit
know
am I
where
gonna-
the hell it is.
I didn't move out of your car.
Well, you
It
look
was
at my
there.
card. If you can find it, I know. Hey, there was 2 of them in there, Joan,
Yes,
when we
I
came
know it.
home.
And I want
now I
mine.
only have 1.
Well, you better
No.
find it.
Yeah?
Twice
you better
couldn't
find it.
Twice you could not find that handicap. Don't give me no
Twice.
shit.
Where
I'm
was
in
the twice,
shock
Joan?
over this. Cindy.
When was the twice?
I'm in
In
shock.
Florida, you couldn't find it, or
When?
I hope I don't
Never.
get
You
that
said, "Where's
call
my goddamn
from my
hand?"
It was on the
I
other
told you I
side.
kept
Because you keep
dreaming they're
moving
gonna
them
be
from
back.
side to side. Now, wait a minute. What's going on now?
What What do you think about that sign? Who has it?
What are you doing?
She's recording us.
Get that. Shut that. I don't want you to do that.
Here, Natalie.
I put it on YouTube.
That's